At your hairstyle.
Bomba. Tony and this body. I saw you have it.
I tell you so I can do my own here.
Awesome. Sell Tony, you can't do this as a side hustle, you know.
I can't take on nothing else, Karim. I have too much things to deal with.
Not just the shop you have a deal with.
The shop tired me out.
But the shop not that active.
Sometimes it's busy in the afternoon.
What Tony? So Tony, you have another work?
No.
So I can ask you something?
Sure.
Where you go the other day when time you leave the shop?
Karim, him can't know nothing about your second life.
On the road.
Which part on the road?
Downtown.
You alone?
Karim, why you ask me so much question? Is what?
Tony, you know you never tell me a lie, right?
Karim, I leave here and go up on the road and deal with some things. But I forget your details.
So, you know the water commission, brother?
Oh, this the one who always come here and come by Dragon all the time?
Yes.
Kinda. Him come at the shop every now and then come by Dragon.
Okay. So, when I get that close for the two of uno for we upon each other and go up the road?
Him up the road and see me and say, him a go walk with me.
Tony, I see the two of uno the other day up the road. You never tell me a lie or sneak round and be around the bush. If you like him, you can just tell me.
And if me did like him, nothing would wrong. You still in love with Tiffany? Excuse.
But at least me tell you the truth. You a sneak round and I tell me sad story.
Karim, look. This no make no sense. It's not like we even have a relationship.
Yes, we do.
We do? We have a relationship?
We have a business relationship and a special friendship.
What you call special?
A friendship that is one step closer to a relationship.
You say we have a business relationship already.
Not that one, Tonian.
Which one?
Being intimate with you. Tonian, you know I really like you, right?
Kinda.
I tell you, say you're genial, you know. You're well and know.
Alright. Yeah, me did know.
So, you like me the way me like you?
Maybe.
You can't give a straight answer?
Yes, Karim, I like you like how you like me. But I still have to be careful. I'm not sure if I can go in a one next relationship that way.
I'm not rush you because I understand what you were going through.
You understand?
Of course, abuse is a serious thing in Tonian and I know you're gonna need time to heal. So, I'm just there for you as a friend.
You know say that make a great boyfriend?
For real?
Tiffany was a lucky girl.
Was?
Yeah, because when she come back, I'm not happy again. Hey guys. Talia?
Tiffany?
Tiffany?